Hey everybody, today we are going to be making these super cute, fun, dangly earrings. I don't even know what these are officially called, but they just have the long head pins on them and they are super dangly. But they are very easy to make, but they look cool and unique, and you don't really see earrings like this a whole lot. But without further ado, let's just get right into the supplies. Okay, so you will need head pins. You will need the same number of head pins as beads you are using. I'm using 6 beads to make the pair of earrings, so I will be using 6 head pins. And these are all the same length, but you can get packs where all the head pins are different lengths, because then you won't have to cut the head pins. You can just use a longer, a mid-size, and a shorter head pin. But I will be showing you how to do it without those. And then I have my 2 earring hooks, and then I have my beads. I have some kiwi jasper spheres, some amethyst chunks, and some little mini dice, and 4 jump rings. These are all 4 millimeters. So let's just get right into making these earrings. The first step will be putting 1 bead on each head pin. Okay, so now we have all of our beads on each of their head pins. I forgot this in the supplies, but you will need jewelry pliers. You'll need some regular ones, as well as some of the needle nose ones that can cut metal. So you will need these if you need to cut the head pins. You could also just have them all be the same length, but I will be using the one-step looper to make the loops, but we will get to that when it comes to that point. So if you're making them all the same length, you can just skip to the next step, but I will be doing these ones as the longest ones, and then maybe these ones as the mid ones, and these ones as the shorter ones. So I'm gonna leave the amethyst ones at the length that they are, and then I'm going to figure out kind of where I want it to be on there. You can see it's measured up like that. So this one's the kiwi jasper, and then this one is the amethyst, and I like where they measure up on there, so I'm gonna take this and cut the kiwi jasper. Because then when it's looped, it'll hit right about there. I might cut a bit more of that off. Now I'm going to take the kiwi jasper, the other kiwi jasper one, make them as level as I can. Actually, I'm going to take the beads off to make it easier. I'm going to get them as level as I can. And then we're gonna take the kiwi jasper and the dice and measure those up to where I want it to hit on there. I like how it hits right about there. And I like where that measures up. Now I'm going to take the dice off of here, get those measured up. So now I'm going to put the dice back on. If you have regular needle nose pliers, you'd go here, turn them to make loops. But because I have this one-step looper, I'm going to put it just so that the metal is right at the edge of the teeth where it cuts, so that it won't cut any of the metal off. It'll just form a loop. Just like that, and it didn't cut any off, it just formed our loop. So now I'm going to do that to all of our pieces here. So now we're going to take our first jump ring, open that up, and then you're going to want to put So I'm just gonna call them by what I have them as, but your longest to shortest, or if they're all the same length, it doesn't matter, but put them on in whatever order you'd like. So I'm gonna put on the amethyst, and then I'm gonna put on the kiwi jasper, and then I'm gonna put on the dice. Just like that. I'm gonna close that up. Now we're gonna take our second jump ring, open that up, put your second jump ring through the first jump ring, and then place your earring hook on it, and then close that up. Now we're gonna do the same for the second one. And just like that, now you have your long dangly earrings. But that's gonna be it for this video. Tell me in the comments down below which of these is your favorite, and subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to do a lot more jewelry tutorials and similar videos in the future. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.